Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. A major legal story is making headlines across the United States. Reports suggest that former President Donald Trump could be facing serious legal consequences in a case involving a massive amount of money, reportedly around $10 billion. What exactly is this case about? Why is it attracting so much attention? And what could happen next? Let's break everything down. The story. According to reports, legal authorities and court officials are reviewing allegations connected to financial matters that could have significant consequences. The amount being discussed is extremely large, which is one reason why the story has attracted national and international attention. Supporters of Trump argue that the case is politically motivated and designed to damage his public image. Critics, on the other hand, believe that any allegations should be fully investigated through the legal system. As with any major legal case, it is important to remember that allegations are not the same as proven facts. Why this matters? The reason this story is receiving so much coverage is because Donald Trump remains one of the most influential figures in American politics. Any legal action involving a former president automatically becomes a major news event. Experts say that cases involving large financial claims can take a long time to resolve because investigators often need to review documents, financial records, and witness statements. Possible outcomes. There are several possible outcomes. First, the courts could determine that there is not enough evidence to support the claims. Second, legal proceedings could continue for months or even years as both sides present their arguments. Third, if any violations are proven, financial penalties or other legal consequences could potentially follow. However, the final outcome depends entirely on the courts and legal process. Public reaction. The public reaction has been divided. Many supporters believe Trump is being unfairly targeted. Others believe that no public figure should be above the law and that investigations should proceed normally. Social media platforms have been flooded with debates, opinions, and discussions about the case. Political analysts say that regardless of the final verdict, stories like this can influence public opinion and future political campaigns. Bigger picture. This case highlights how closely politics, law, and public opinion are connected in modern America. When a high-profile political figure becomes involved in a legal dispute, the impact often extends beyond the courtroom. Media coverage, public debates, and political reactions all become part of the story. That is why millions of people are following developments very closely. Conclusion. For now, the situation is still developing. As more information becomes available, courts and legal authorities will determine the next steps. What do you think about this case? Share your opinion in the comments below. If you enjoyed this update, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more breaking news updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.